Welcome back to the last stage of this demo series where we're going to tidy up the account and return it back to the state as it was before we started. So to do that, you'll need to move to the VPC console first. We'll need to delete the VPN connections that we've created. So on the menu on the left, select Site-to-Site VPN connections. Select each of these, click on Actions and Delete. And this will delete the connection information, so both of the tunnels as part of this connection will terminate and the connection itself will be deleted. We'll need to do the same for the other connection. Wait for both of those to change to deleted. Select Customer Gateways and do the same for both of these. So select one, Actions, Delete, Confirm. Then the other one, Actions, Delete, Confirm. Click on the Services drop-down, start typing CloudFormation and select it from the list. Select the one-click deployment stack, click Delete and Confirm. And once that stack's been deleted, the accounts are back in the same state as they were at the start of this demo series. At this point, congratulations, you've completed all of the activities in this demo series. You've completed a really complex implementation of the site-to-site VPN between AWS and a simulated on-premises environment. You've done the same steps in this demo lesson as you'd be required to do when configuring this in the real world. And so by completing this demo lesson, you've gained valuable practical experience that you can reuse in real world employment situations or when discussing this type of architecture in a job interview. The VPN that you've implemented is an example of the most complex architecture that you can implement using site-to-site VPNs. You've used a transit gateway complete with VPN attachments. You've elected to utilize the accelerated VPNs feature, which uses the global AWS network to transit the traffic from the customer routers through to the transit gateway. And rather than creating a static VPN or one that uses only one tunnel, you've used BGP to dynamically exchange routes between the customer routers and the transit gateway, so you have full dynamic routing and true high availability using 4 different IPsec tunnels between the customer routers and each of the 4 different AWS side endpoints. So this is a really good set of experience that I've no doubt you'll utilize in the real world if you ever need to design and implement VPN solutions within AWS and on-premise networks. With that being said, this is the end of this demo series. I hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you some good practical experience of all of the technologies that form part of this solution. Go ahead and complete this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in another exciting advanced demo lesson.